Hey everybody, it's Donnie from Energy Swing Windows here at our design center on 286 in Monroeville, and wanted to show you a very high value window that is absolutely gorgeous. It is our Aeris line of windows from ProVia. It's if you want a true wood window, but you at the same time would like the low maintenance and the low conductivity of a vinyl window on the outside. So it's very low maintenance, it's easy to take care of, and it's going to stand the test of time. Your woodwork is obviously only on the inside, it's vinyl on the outside. The thing I want to talk about here, first of all, I mean, it is nice, clean, crisp, narrow lines all around it. And it comes in different species of wood, like an oak wood, a maple wood, a cherry wood. That's really nice, and it can be stained a bunch of different colors. Not always, but a lot of our customers, what they like to do with this window is they like to replace the woodwork so everything can match perfectly on this window. Nice sills so you can put your candles on, or even your plants on, but your candles on during the holiday season. And it's really nice. It's stained, it's polyurethane. It looks absolutely fantastic. You can see the quality of that. You can also see, you know, how it's kind of routered. It's called a stoop sill, so that it's you know, real nice. But at any rate, about the window has top of the line glass in it. It can come with different variations of glass. It can come with double pane low E and argon, triple pane low E and argon, or triple pane low E and krypton, which is a great feature. It comes with a bunch of different hardware options because, again, it's a high value window. You can get hardware in brass, in satin nickel. You can get the hardware in black, what we happen to have on our sample here. You can get it in bronze, like really nice stuff. Also comes with a screen. Typically, we recommend a full screen on these windows, but you can also get a half screen. It comes in a bunch of different colors on the outside. For some reason, there's a lot of rustic bronze that we do on the outside with these type of windows. As far as the functionality of it, it is a replacement window. And the way this operates is, first of all, there's two locks. And I'll show you, it's interesting why there's two locks, because that's the tilt mechanism. So again, make it nice, clean lines like I had talked about. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. It opens up, and it also opens from the top sash, opens up and down. But the interesting thing for the clean lines is the locks are what the tilt mechanisms are. A lot of times tilt mechanisms are right here. They can be a little bit unsightly sometimes. A lot of companies do offer that. What we offer, though, is the locks. When you push them the whole way in, that's what releases this to come in so that you can clean the inside from the outside. And you should feel just the stability and the strength and the structural stability, I should say, of the way this is made. It's vinyl, but there's actually fiberglass inside of it, and there's wood on this. And the nice thing about this wood is all individual pieces for a realistic look to what original wood windows looked like a long time ago. So you have that real nice aesthetic appeal. So the other nice thing, not that this would happen, but if you were to bump this or something and you needed to replace a piece of this, guess what? You can do it pretty easily. It's just one piece. It's not the whole thing needs replaced. So that's a really nice feature. So this one not only tilts, but the top sash, and also these are called keepers. The keepers would match the hardware as well as far as the color. So this top sash will actually tilt in. Now this does have these clips, but a lot of times you can't see those because they're up inside of the window. A lot of companies still have these on where you can actually see on the bottom sash there to tilt in. But again, you can feel the structural stability of what this is like. So this closes, you know, tilts into clean, and the same thing with this one. This will tilt back up to clean, and then you close it. Make sure it's completely locked and sealed. The weather stripping, how much weather stripping on there, make sure that all the elements are out, stay out. But the really big thing, like we always talk about, is an Energy Swing exclusive. We only use employee installers who are properly trained to install this product. as well as the woodwork. And another nice feature, you don't have to stain or paint the woodwork that we do for you. A lot of competitors who put, or window companies who put windows in, they actually will say, here's a business card of a painter. You can have that company come out and paint it for you. We do it all in-house. So please feel free to stop down at our design center on 286 in Monroeville. You can check out this window and just see the high value that it has. Thanks.